Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, 3 important prepositions in Chinese Mandarin, usually used in daily conversation. 也就是汉语中常用的3个介词，通常情况下后面要加人。那今天就让我们来一起看一下。Let's go. Number 1 is 跟 the first tone, like with in English. 那么通常的用法就是跟某人再加上动词短语，跟 and somebody and verb phrase. For example, 我跟他去学校，我跟他一起去学校。I go to school with her. I go to school with her together. 我跟他学习。I learn from her. 我跟大家分享。I share it with you. That's 跟 something like this. But 跟 can also be a verb or a noun. If it's a noun, that is 脚跟 heel, 鞋跟 heel of a shoe, something like this. But if it's a verb, that is 跟着跟随 means follow. So today what we learned is its preposition attribute, 也就是跟的介词的用法。跟 Number 2, 给 here means for or to in English. 给某人做某事儿。给 and somebody and verb phrase. For example, 我给她打电话。我给她打电话。I call her. 我给她做饭。我给她做饭。I cook for her. 给 can also means give in English. A verb. 给某人什么什么东西。Give something to somebody. Number 3. 对 the fourth tone. 对 and somebody and verb phrase. The same structure like 跟 or 给. For example, 我对她说。I said to her. Here, 对 is a preposition. If it's a verb, we use 针对 direct at. 对付 copy with, deal with, something like this. If it's an adjective in a conversation, sometimes we will use 对对对 The Chinese character 对 overlaps, means yes, that's right, to support or to affirm. So that's 对. So today our main task is to learn about the 3 prepositions 跟 给 对 in Chinese Mandarin. So try to use them in the daily conversation. Any questions can leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye!